your stomach! Whoa.
In the early evening of the 8th of May, 2025, North Columbus became the scene of a terrifying, violent escalation. What began as a reported shooting on Cleveland Avenue quickly morphed into a high-speed pursuit that saw a suspect desperate to escape. As units closed in, the chase reached a dramatic and destructive conclusion captured entirely on Bodycam.
Fucking car right there! Southbound!
Southbound from where?
S96, give me the air. We got that Tahoe, southbound Cleveland, passing Melrose.
Copy, southbound Cleveland, passing Melrose.
9020, driver's male black, he was wearing a safety vest.
Chopper to 6, please, chopper to 6.
He's driving into cruisers too.
Where you guys at now?
Southbound down, Johnson Weber, S96 is 1, 96 is 2. S73. 4. They only 4 bucks. Only 4 bucks.
Southbound crossing Genesee.
S7, can we get chopper overhead there for an invert?
Where? 3 wide.
75, Master Republic, southbound. Video footage of him on the 33, evil bear suspect. Back on the road, northbound builder, gonna go up in civilian traffic. Back on the road again.
Choppers now, we're running them up.
Northbound Parkway, Master Republic, traffic light. Cleveland and Genesee.
Back up! Get to cover! Get to cover! Hang on! Get to cover!
Get back! Hands up here!
Hey!
Timothy, come out here! Hands up!
Who's got eyes on?
No one's got eyes on
All right.
the window!
Stand by.
Come out, your hands up!
You got something to break it?
Yeah. Watch your crossbar!
Find socks. Break this shit.
Hey, Timothy, come out!
He's on the passenger side.
Pull him out!
Get out.
Hey,
Climb out now. Get the fuck out.
Come and get.
Get out.
Stay stuck in the garbage. Break that one.
Stick your hands out.
We need fire to stay.
Stick your hands out from under the airbag.
Airbag.
Huh?
I got you.
You got eyes on?
Yep, I got hands. I got hands. Do not fucking move. Do not fucking move. Do not move. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Get him out. Roll him over. Hang on.
Roll over. Get on your stomach.
Whoa. Let's go.
You got to get on the camera now. You got me now, bitch.
I pulled it out.
Give me now, bitch.
Hey.
Give me my face. Give me my face. The bitch that put the handcuffs on me. Come on, off his little bitch. Hey, little bitch. Hey, what's your name? Hey, little bitch. What's your name? What's your name, little bitch?
Put him down. Put him down. Put him on his feet.
What's your name?
Put him on his feet.
You're just pulling up.
Get a good
What?
search.
No, little bitch, no.
Get a good search when you guys get there.
This is the parking lot of 1784
What?
Huey.
Shut up. Let's go.
Shut up. I'll spill you right now. I'll spill you right now.
No, you won't.
I'll spill you right now. I'll spill you right now. I'll spill you right now.
And so, can you get with Zone 1, see if they can send a sergeant to the 40 precinct? Both the sergeants on Zone 6 are kind of on this pursuit right now.
Stop.
The pursuit ended in the 1700 block of Huy Road, when Timothy Pierre Brown's vehicle struck a police cruiser and rolled over. Brown was immediately taken into custody and treated for minor injuries. He now faces a litany of serious charges, including 4 counts of felonious assault, improperly discharging a firearm into an occupied structure, and having weapons while under disability. Investigations revealed that one victim suffered a gunshot wound during the initial incident but was listed in stable condition. Brown remains in custody without bond, as the Franklin County Prosecutor's Office prepares for a high-stakes criminal trial.